Hey guys, if you're like me, the last thing you want is any kind of chafing and sweating and uncomfortableness down there. Well, Happy Nuts has a comfort cream that can help with all of that, unless you're traveling or maybe at the gym or maybe hiking. Oh wait, they have something for that too. They have their comfort cream in travel size packs. The guys over at Happy Nuts sent this over for me to try for you guys and tell you my thoughts on it. So here's what I think. One, these are easy to travel with. They're great for 1 or 2 uses depending on how much area you're covering. They have an easy tear off top. Let me show you how it works. All you have to do is take that area with the notches and tear it off. Then just apply it to the area that you're trying to prevent chafing and sweating and odor. I've got some here. You didn't think I was going to show you down there, did you? Spread it out and then give it a few minutes to dry. You know you want to run around naked for another minute or 2 anyway. Once it dries to this powder. It's going to put a little bit of a barrier between your skin and where it rubs so that hopefully chafing isn't a problem. Shave kit, duffel bag, suitcase, wherever you need to take this, these are small enough to fit.